Hey friends, Coach Sarah here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a fuel pole bread that you can use in S or E. I was thinking fuel pole grilled cheese today. So if you're joining me from YouTube, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And if you're not already in my Simply Cookin group, hop on over and join me live. And if you're joining me live today, thank you for being here. Say hello so I know that you're here. Hey Trish. Hey Lisa. Good morning. It's still morning here. Actually, it's not. It's just afternoon, but I'm leaving soon to take my kids to, they're in homeschool co-op. So I have to show you guys this really fast, but I'm very excited about it. So this is fuel pole bread that we're making. I'm not sure, you might have made it, but I think it might be one that gets overlooked. So we are gonna make, from the Trim Healthy Mama Cookbook, we're gonna make the Swiss bread. It's a single serve, but I'm actually gonna double it because a lot of the times somebody like my daughter over here, she wants to have some too. So I'm gonna double it and show you guys how easy it is and how fast. Then if we have time, I'm gonna try to make us some just like Campbell's soup, but dairy-free. So we'll see. Let's see how it goes here. So you just need a bowl, and then we're gonna dump everything in the bowl. So remember, this is double the recipe what you're watching. So baking blend is the first thing that we're putting in. And yes, I did double that. So baking blend. And hey Kim, how are you today? Okay, then we're gonna put in super sweet. Doesn't take much, I think that's it. Okay, this bread, you guys, once you see all the things. Hey KJ, how are you? Oh, we're in the midst of KJ. Hi. Okay, then we're gonna do egg whites, which I just eyeball it. That's how I roll. But we are gonna do, let me see. It's like 4, so I'm gonna just guess. I know you're probably like, that is scary. It's all good, it's gonna be fine. You can always add more water. Then we're gonna add baking powder. Now I gotta make sure I double this because I don't wanna forget. Otherwise your bread won't rise and it will not be fun, not fun. Now, here's the secret, you guys. This takes on any flavor you put on it. So if you put nothing else in this, it's plain. I don't wanna get all the messages like, Sarah, it's so boring. Put some flavor in it, whatever you want. If you're making something to go with soup, maybe you want some basil and some oregano, and maybe you want a little bit more salt. I'm gonna use everything but the bagel seasoning because I love it. So just give it a good shake. That's it. Now, I'm going to mix this up. Oh, we forgot something. You know how I can tell? This is way too dry, way too dry. We forgot water. Put some of that in. See how that looks. I think we might need just a little bit more. Just a touch more. That looks good. Now, let me make sure I added everything. Yes, that's it. Okay, did you guys see how easy that was? Like, how easy is this? Now, I'm gonna take, you guys, you can bake it in whatever you want. You can bake it in a cup. You can bake it in a what are those things called? A Gladware. Wow, I don't even know what I'm talking about today. Anything. Silicone is awesome though. Let me tell you why. It's gonna pop right out of these silicone. And there's no like residual mess. So I like this. I'm just gonna put my bread in here. La la la. Remember, this makes 2. We're only gonna eat 1 though, because we're sharing. Sharing is caring. You want to come say hi? My daughter's hiding over here. Okay, now all we're gonna do is throw these in the microwave. Every microwave varies. So I would say 1 to 2 minutes. You're gonna see mine, I did 2 minutes. Let me just flatten these out. Let me see what I'm doing here, yay. All right, so these are going in the microwave for 2 minutes. I'm gonna throw these in. Now, while this is going, I want to throw this soup together. I'm going to do it. Ready for this soup? You want to say hi to my friends? Can they see you? You got to come over. Oh, there you are. This is Tatum. You say hi? Are you excited to go to the homeschool co-op and play? Yeah?
Sunglasses.
Okay, guys. While that's cooking, I'm showing you the soup. Now, I'm also doubling this. If you look at the Just Like Campbell's tomato soup, also same cookbook. It is on page 112. I'll put all the page numbers for you guys when we're done. Now, this one, oh, let me talk to my friends, okay? Be careful right there. Okay, this, I'm using a full can. I'm doubling it. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to catch what you guys are. Hi, Marie. All right, now, so that is doubled. This is just tomato sauce, Now, we're gonna add chicken broth. Again, I just get the one from Costco. Dump this in. Okay, it takes about a half of one of these for a double. Does this feel half? Close. Do you like this soup? Can you say hi? This is Lily. If you guys haven't met Lily. Now we're going to add, oh, I love stevia in this one. I actually like it. Where did I put it? So I'm gonna add my stevia to this one. I'm showing it to you guys over here so you can see. Then we need just a little bit of salt. A little bit more salt. I feel, do you do this? I don't know. My husband talks about that guy. Who is that guy? He does this? I don't know. Sorry. Totally not in on that. It's not banned. Do you know?
What?
My husband's gonna make fun of me. He's gonna watch this later. He's gonna be like, it's this. Okay, now we're gonna add nutritional yeast. You guys, you should try the bread with the nutritional yeast in it because that would be epic. Oh my gosh, I just like inhaled. You just inhaled that. Oh, hold on, let them cool off for a second. We're gagging over here because we're hurrying. This is what happens when you inhale nutritional yeast. It's very strong.
What? No,
Okay, I am going to try the Creamy Dreamy. I have never done this. I have no idea if this is gonna turn out. Gonna add some Creamy Dreamy to this, and then we're just gonna put it on the stove. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons. This actually has, other than the nutritional yeast, which nutritional yeast has protein in it, you guys. This doesn't have any other protein. I got my little baby whisk. I thought, wouldn't this be fun to just use my baby whisk for this? It's my Epicure baby whisk. I haven't really used it a lot. I feel like it needs use. Oh, there we have our bread, but I'm gonna show you guys. I made several because I wanna give you guys some ideas. You wanna show baby Marshall? He's got cool sunglasses on too. Do you think baby Marshall would like soup for lunch?
No.
No soup? Okay, look at that. That whisked together awesome. So we're gonna warm this up. This does not take long. Then we're gonna eat it. Okay, so now that where'd you put those? Let's let these ones cool off. So I already made some. This is what they look like when they're done. And now we're just gonna pop them out onto our plate. And where's my plate? I think we need to put our griddle here too. Okay, I'm gonna start the stove and we are going to, your kids love it, Erin, that's so cool. We are going to just spray it with some avocado spray. So I just have this one from Trader Joe's, or you can get it at Costco. You get like the big double pack. So I'm just gonna spray that. This keeps it fuel full. Now, do you wanna grab me a knife?
What?
Will you grab me a knife? Was this the one that was cooling off? Oh, I'm gonna do this one. Do you wanna grab me a knife? Okay, so this is the bread and we're just gonna pop it out. Like, see? This is why I'm like, you guys gotta get silicone. It's so much better. It just popped out. This is what it looks like. It will take on the shape of whatever you put it in. So if you put it in a mug, it's gonna look like that. Then you just need to take a knife. Although I think I might have made this one eggy. I can feel it. That's funny. Now remember, this is gonna take on whatever flavor you put on it. So here we have it. I cut it in half. Ta-da! Instant bread. Now we are going to, hi Prosperous, hi Karen. We're gonna put light Laughing Cow cheese. Already started opening it. Wow, where did I put that? Okay. So light Laughing Cow cheese. Spread that on. You can put one on each side if you like it super cheesy. You'll still be fuel pull if you use 2. They only have 1.5 grams of fat in one. So now you can cook it just like this. You could add some more flavor to this, or you can, what I like to do is add some like turkey, lunch meat. You like it like this too, right?
Yes, I do.
This is your favorite. Now, this is it. I'm trying to pull some out here. Just a couple pieces, and then we are going to put it straight onto our pan. Ooh, and it's nice and hot. Awesome. Okay, now with this other one, I wanted to show you guys another thing you can do. So we're just gonna pop this one out. You want toast? Will you grab me another knife? I dirtied that one. Thank you. She's a very good assistant. She's a good helper. Okay, we're gonna take and cut this one in half. And we're going to, I have my toaster right here. You guys can't see it, but I'm gonna throw this in the toaster and see how this goes. Okay.
My mom never done this.
No, I have. I've toasted this bread before.
You have?
Yeah, it's been a while though.
Oh, well then.
It's been a while. Okay, but you guys see, super, super clean. Now, let's see. I'm gonna just see our other ones. They really don't, these are already almost cooled off. These are the ones we just cooked. Just to show you guys, if you don't have bread, go make this. You can make it in just minutes. Now, where's my baby whisk? I'm gonna check on the soup. Oh, I feel like it's so dark in here. I don't know.
You have like.
That looks so creamy. Honestly, I'm really excited about this, you guys. It really does look creamy and dreamy. Okay, let's flip. I need a spatula. Nope. Here we go. Here's one. Oh, can I do it, honey? Only because I'm nervous that this one.
It's gonna break.
Yeah, I just want to make sure it doesn't. Oh, it was pretty solid. Did you see that?
See, I could have done it.
Are you excited to eat this?
Yeah.
Okay, so what can you serve with this? I'm going to show you. Now, you can have the soup, the sandwich, and if you just want to grab some bagged lettuce, throw this on your plate, and then whip up a batch of, ooh, I don't know why that's leaking. Okay, that is leaking. This is Rashida's raspberry vinaigrette. It is so good, you guys. You guys need to whip it up. I don't know, I must have done something because it kind of oozing out here. Then you can put this on. This is fuel pull. So this also makes awesome dressing for your salads too. So that's it. Okay. Now, hello. Let's check our sandwich and our toast. Did you?
Oh, I just checked it.
And is it done?
No.
Oh, it wasn't done yet? Okay.
You did it for like 2 minutes in this.
That's probably good. Doesn't that take too long? Oh, it looks so good. All right, I'm gonna call that done.
Okay.
Done, done. Now let's put this here. Look at this, you guys.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
It does look so good, doesn't it? I'm gonna cut that in half. Ta-da! Okay, this is fuel pull. Fuel pull grilled cheese right here. That's it, so simple. And now we need to check our soup, although it does not, is this warm yet? It's close. I'm gonna let it cook for a second while we grab this. I wanna show you just a couple more ideas. I wanna give you guys a couple more ideas. And we're gonna get our toast. You got that one for me? Thank you, honey. Such a good helper. Okay, so we toasted this. You could toast it longer. We didn't toast it very long. So if you like it like nice and crispy. Some ideas with this bread. Remember, it's fuel pull. So I thought, why not, if you're looking for a nice way to have, what do they call this?
Guacamole.
No, when you put it on, it's like avocado toast. Avocado toast. So you could have this. And now, this is from Costco. It's these little avocado mash. It's literally just mashed avocados. Then you could put some everything but the bagel on top. And ta-da! Look at that. Isn't that good? One more idea. Got one more for you. Same bread. This one's fuel pull. So just do another light Laughing Cow cheese. And then all you have to do is put on some fruit spread. Now I'm gonna do just a teaspoon of this strawberry preserve. This one is just fruit from Trader Joe's. So just a teaspoon of that. So literally you could have this with your breakfast, or you can like slather it with some preserves of your choice. So I think it needs a little more. It's kind of not smearing very well. There we go. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, you guys, are you feeling these ideas? Go make this bread. Doesn't that look good? Whoa, which way? There we go. So we have the avocado toast, and then we have the strawberry light Laughing Cow cheese. Now this bread takes on whatever flavor you put on it. So don't forget that. Don't be afraid to add stuff to it. Okay, let's check our soup. Let's eat our soup and see if this is good. You guys, what do you think? Comment. Yes, this is gonna taste good, or no. I think it's gonna taste good, honestly, but I don't know. All right, this is with the Creamy Dreamy. Creamy Dreamy. Okay, and hopefully we don't burn our mouths off. Let me taste it first. I'll burn my mouth off first before you. Here, do you want a spoon?
Well, shouldn't you put it to your lip or whatever to check?
Well, I'm gonna do this first, because look how steamy that is. Okay, Creamy Dreamy, you guys, instead of cream.
Is that hot?
Oh, I gotta go back for more. I feel like, I think it needs some pepper. It's really good. I just think it needs some pepper. Okay, this is Creamy Dreamy. Plant protein instead of cream, completely dairy-free. So if you have to be dairy-free, another option. Yeah, that's awesome. That's great. Look at it. You see? It even lightened it up so much. So that's another easy option for you guys. Okay, please do me a favor. Hashtag Array of Hope Health if you guys make this bread or this soup, and let me know what you guys think. I want to hear what concoctions you guys come up with to be creative with this fuel pull bread option. So let me know. Give it a try. It was fun hanging out with you this morning. We have to run. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my cooking group next week. So good to see you too, Prosperous. Let's see, where can you find the recipe? I'm gonna link all the details, but they are all in Trim Healthy Mama Cookbook, and the soup is on page 112, and let me quick get the other one for you, and then I've got to go. It is on page 196, but I will also link it for you guys so you have that. Okay guys, have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Bye.